Hi, this is Prasida from Asresh Return Gifts. So we are here to show you how we curated a 50th birthday gift for our very client Mr. Suresh. Here we have a acrylic bag which we curated according to the theme. Let's start with a pure copper mug which is very useful. A customized 50th bottle opener as per our client's wish. And we have a glass jar filled with yummy cashews. And a goat milk soap which is very good for skin and healthy. And a scented candle which smells amazing. And lastly we have a cute napkin. Thank you so much. For more information, DM us on WhatsApp or Instagram. Thank you.